We'll guide you through how to share music on Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Log into your account with your email and password. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Files. Here, you can upload your music files if you haven't already. Click the Upload button at the top right. Choose Files if you're uploading individual tracks, or Folder if you're uploading an entire album. After the upload is complete, find your music file or folder in the list. Hover over it and you'll see a Share button appear on the right side. Click on Share and a new window will pop up. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the music with, or you can create a link. If you choose to create a link, click on Create Link and then Copy Link to share it via email, chat, or any other messaging service. You can also set permissions to allow others to edit or just view the files. Just click Settings next to the link creation option and choose your preferred settings. When you're ready, click Share to finalize. Your friends will receive an email with the link to access the music. It's as simple as that. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.